Send an email to apply and move to Canada as a truck driver with a full-time permanent contract. You will earn 26 to 27 Canadian dollars per hour. How to apply? On Google, type Canadian Job Bank. Click on the first link. Click on Advance. Enter the job title, Truck Driver. Click OK. On date posted, specify last 30 days. Go down, click on Canadian and International Candidates. 355 positions are available. Click on View. These are the positions available for truck drivers. Select any and apply. For example, Orangeville, click on it. For this role, you will earn 26 to 27 Canadian dollars per hour. No degree, no certificate is required. Experience is an asset. Read the responsibilities. Scroll down. Click on Show How to Apply. Send your CV and motivation letter to this email in order to submit your application. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe and like.